Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying that SmartGaga supports Google Play for the Android image you're using. Check the emulator version and architecture. Once done, make sure virtualization, VTX, is enabled in BIOS and that other VM software is closed to avoid conflicts. Now download the correct GMS package. Pick ARM or x86 to match the emulator. You do this because mismatched binaries fail to install. Getting the right files now saves time and prevents boot errors later. You proceed by launching SmartGaga and preparing to push the GMS APKs. Use drag and drop or ADB install for reliability. Install in the correct order, first Google Services Framework, then Google Play Services, and finally Google Play Store, and watch for install errors. Once installed, use a file manager or shell to set appropriate permissions, then clear cache for Play services. After that, reboot the emulator to ensure services register. This sequence ensures dependency loading and avoids crashes on first launch. You finish by signing into Google Play and allowing updates to all Play components. Expect several automatic updates and let them complete. If the Play Store crashes or shows authentication errors, clear app data, force stop, then update Play services. If that fails, uninstall and reinstall the APKs in the same order. For stubborn problems, capture logs with ADB logcat to find precise errors, then target fixes such as mismatched architecture or missing permissions. This targeted troubleshooting saves time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.